How to make a shark-themed cake. The first step is to make your cake. I used the KakeMi 90-second cake in chocolate. The second step is to frost the upper third portion of your cake. The icing color doesn't matter, as it will be covered by chocolate rocks. Next, cover your icing with chocolate rocks. They do not have to be in any design or particular order. I was able to find my chocolate rocks at Five Below. However, you can probably find them on Amazon. Once your rocks are perfectly aligned, you will want to fill a piping bag with blue icing. I am using tip number 18 by Wilton to create my zigzag waves. If you don't want to use a piping bag, you can spread the blue icing onto your cake and then use the back of a spoon to create waves. And as the final touch, take gummy sharks and arrange them in your ocean. I hope you have fun decorating your cake. Please leave a comment if you decide to try it for yourself.